What does the future mean to you? Anybody? Go ahead.
Vertical farming is getting a lot of attention these days. The world's population is projected to increase to 9.8 billion by 2050, with urban populations increasing to 6.7 billion. Arable land is finite, overtaxed, and can only grow another 2%. Additionally, water scarcity and climatic events are becoming increasing issues in many areas. Indoor farming allows crops to be grown within its intended market in a clean, pest-free environment. Consumers are increasingly wanting healthy, pesticide-free produce, even better if it's locally grown.
The key benefit we achieve from growing in containers is control: temperature, light, humidity, nutrients. Dialing in on the factors allows us to customize optimal recipes for each plant, increasing yields and quality. Technology improvements are making indoor farming feasible for the first time, and we can grow any crop year-round. Imagine delivering freshly cut lettuce, baby greens, and vine-ripened strawberries in New York City in January. On average, produce travels 1,500 miles from farm to table in the US, and we can substantially eliminate this, preserving freshness and saving on transportation costs.
For the last 2.5 years, Local Urban Vegetables, or LOVE, has been developing our system in a warehouse in Whittier, California, with $8 million of Series A funding. We have a current staff of 20 people, including 7 on the engineering team, a master grower, and a scientist with a PhD in organic chemistry.
From the outset, we wanted to develop a system that was high volume and high automation in order to achieve economies of scale. Our containers can be stacked 3 high inside modern warehouses. They are also able to be produced off-site for cost efficiency and to provide scalability and modularity.
And here's how we're different. We are growing on vertical walls using aeroponic sprayers and not in horizontal trays using traditional ebb and flow hydroponics. The vertical walls provide higher volume and, most importantly, move through the farm on an assembly line. It enables us to substantially automate the farm and reduce labor costs. I like to think of our industry situation to the early days of the car business 100 years ago. There were a number of shops making cars by hand, and then along came Henry Ford with his assembly line. It was a game changer. We're the only ones doing this, and it completely changes the economics.
Our plan is to develop and operate a series of farms throughout the United States and in key overseas markets, delivering fresh, pesticide-free produce at organic prices. Other markets will be franchised or set up as joint ventures. We have substantially completed the design of our grow containers and farm, and we are ready to begin building and operating our first farm in Los Angeles.
We are looking to raise capital from a combination of strategic investors, private equity, and venture capital.
We look forward to speaking with you.